In 2026, personal branding isn't just a buzzword. It's one of the most powerful tools you can use to grow your career, business, or online presence. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or content creator, how people perceive you can directly impact your opportunities, income, and influence. Personal branding is your reputation made visible, and in a digital world, your brand is everything. So, what makes a personal brand strong? It starts with clarity. You need to know who you are, what you stand for, and what value you bring. Think of yourself as a business. Your skills, personality, and story are your products. People don't just buy services or products. They buy trust, confidence, and authenticity. If you can communicate your strengths clearly, you become memorable in a crowded market. Next comes consistency. In 2026, attention spans are shorter than ever, and digital platforms are flooded with content. That means your audience needs to see a consistent message across every platform: social media, LinkedIn, YouTube, or even offline networking events. Your visuals, voice, and messaging should all align. When people know what to expect from you, they begin to trust you, and trust is the foundation of influence. Content creation plays a key role in personal branding. Share your knowledge, experiences, and insights regularly. Whether it's short tips, full tutorials, or thought leadership posts, every piece of content strengthens your brand. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. Authenticity often resonates more than polished perfection. People connect with real stories, real struggles, and real successes. Another crucial element is engagement. Personal branding is not a one-way street. Respond to comments, connect with your audience, collaborate with others in your field, and participate in meaningful conversations. The more you engage, the more your audience feels a personal connection with you. And in 2026, these connections can lead to partnerships, job offers, clients, or sponsorships. Visual identity is also powerful. Your profile pictures, banners, logos, and even your color schemes communicate professionalism and personality. Small details like a clean design or a consistent color palette make you instantly recognizable. This is especially important in crowded online spaces, where first impressions can make or break opportunities. Finally, personal branding is about long-term thinking. It's not about going viral for a day or chasing trends. It's about building credibility, authority, and a reputation that lasts. Even small, consistent steps, posting regularly, sharing valuable insights, and maintaining a professional image compound over time. In 2026, the people who master personal branding will have a huge advantage in almost every industry. In conclusion, personal branding is no longer optional. It's essential. It helps you stand out, build trust, attract opportunities, and grow your influence. Start by defining your brand, stay consistent, engage authentically, and invest in your presence online and offline. The stronger your personal brand, the more doors will open, and the more opportunities will come to you. Because in 2026, your personal brand is your superpower.